Best of 4 App 4. Logo creation in mobile.
1. Pixelab.
Pixelab is a versatile and user-friendly graphic design app for Android devices, primarily used for editing images and creating text-based designs. It is popular among creators for its wide range of features and intuitive interface, making it a favorite tool for designing social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, and custom graphics. Key features. 1. Text editing. Add and customize text with different fonts, colors, styles, and effects. 3D text creation for a more dynamic look. Options for text, shadows, reflections, and embossing. 2. Stickers and shapes. Includes a library of pre-designed stickers and shapes. You can import custom stickers or logos for branding. 3. Image editing. Basic tools for cropping, rotating, and resizing images. Advanced features like color filters, brightness, contrast, and saturation adjustments. Remove backgrounds using the eraser tool. 4. Layer-based editing. Allows for managing multiple layers, similar to professional design software.
2.
Canva is
Canva.
a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, such as social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, and more. It is user-friendly and widely used by individuals, businesses, and educators. Here's an overview. Features. 1. Templates. Thousands of professionally designed templates for different purposes, including Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, resumes, business cards, and more. 2. Drag and drop interface. An intuitive interface that lets you design by dragging and dropping elements. 3. Customizable elements. Includes text, images, illustrations, icons, and shapes that can be resized, recolored, and rearranged. 4. Stock media. Offers a large library of stock photos, videos, and audio tracks. 5. Collaborative tools. Teams can collaborate on designs in real time with comments and editing permissions. 6. Animation and video editing. Features simple animation tools and video editing capabilities. 7. Brand Kit. Helps businesses maintain consistency with brand colors, fonts, and logos. 8. Export options. Designs can be exported in various formats, including PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, and GIF. Platforms. Web, accessible via web browsers on desktops. Mobile app, available for iOS and Android, allowing users to design on the go. Free versus paid plans. Free includes basic features, templates, and some stock media. Canva Pro, subscription plan that provides access to premium templates, advanced tools, e.g. background remover, and expanded stock media. Canva for Teams, tailored for businesses with multiple users. Canva for Education and Nonprofits, offers free premium features for eligible organizations. Canva is highly versatile and is especially popular among those without formal graphic design experience due to its ease of use.
3.
Vector
Vector
is a
Ink.
versatile vector graphics editor designed to facilitate tasks such as logo design, graphic creation, and vector illustration. Accessible across various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops, it offers a seamless design experience for both beginners and professionals. Key features. Path Builder tool. This innovative tool allows users to intuitively combine shapes to create complex designs, streamlining the logo design process. Draw tool with stabilizer ensures smooth lines and precise tracing, enhancing the intuitiveness of digital drawing. Virtual Stylus. Designed for artists without a physical stylus, this feature improves drawing accuracy by providing clear visibility of the contact point on the canvas. Color Palettes. Automatically generates curated color palettes for each project with customization options to inspire designers. Site Turn Search Outline Text. Transforms text into editable vector paths, offering flexibility in customizing typography for logos and designs. Import-export options. Supports importing and exporting in SVG, PNG, and JPG formats, facilitating easy integration and sharing of designs across platforms. Site Turn Search. Platform availability. Available on Google Play as Vector Ink SVG Illustrator, the app is celebrated for its responsive, device-agnostic user interface, ensuring a seamless design experience across devices. Turn Search iOS, offered as vector drawing and logo design on the App Store, it provides a comprehensive suite of tools for vector art and logo creation.
4. Pixart.
PixArt is a popular photo and video editing app that offers a wide range of creative tools for editing, enhancing, and customizing your photos and videos. It is available for both Android and iOS devices, as well as a web version. Here's an overview of its features. Key features. 1. Photo editing, filters and effects. A variety of artistic filters and effects to enhance or transform photos. Tools. Basic editing tools like crop, resize, and rotate, alongside advanced tools such as curves and color adjustments. Text edition. Customizable fonts, colors, and text effects. Stickers and clip art. Thousands of pre-made stickers or the ability to create your own. Cutout tool. AI-powered tool for removing or replacing backgrounds. 2. Video editing. Trim and cut, basic video editing capabilities. Transitions and effects. Creative effects and transitions for video projects. Music integration. Add music or sound effects to your videos. 3. Collages and templates. Pre-designed templates and layout options for collages. Freeform collage creation with drag and drop functionality.
If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.